Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Bayu Andrea. Program Study Information System 2020. I will presentation my 15th assignment. Okay. Title: Analysis of Inventory Information System at Raw Material Companies. Introduction. The development of business world can be marked by increasing number of companies engaged in industry, trade, and service. Basically, a company that is founded has a purpose. The main purpose of a company is how the company can maintain its viability and maintain its business continuity in order to survive in the competition. In a company, large or small, there is always inventory, especially inventory of goods to be produced. With a good inventory, information system very influential on the development and progress of a company or agency primarily engaged in production. A bad inventory information system will affect other aspects such as the lack on consumer or customer trust in the company. Methodology. This paper used the literature review method to find a theoretical basis from previous studies that can be used for problem management. This method is used to collect information and data from various sources, book and library journal that relevant to the need of writing this paper. Literature review. 1. This research at the Faculty of Industrial Technology Institute of Processing Akprin Bandung, conducted by Askin Setia Rinaldi, 2009, with the title Client Server Computer Peripheral Data Processing System at Matrix Com Store Bandung. The application designed using Visual Basic. Inventory system store a lot of data. The data is system managed using a client server based database, which is designed using the concept of entity diagram and normalization. Communication between units, client with server, start when the application is running or running. When the client unit active and make a transaction, the client unit will send command to the server unit. The server will return the result request by the client unit. The data is processed to the server unit is the entire system database, while what is sent to client is only a single result data, not the entire database. 2. Scientific journal research at the University of Indonesia campus on Seri Technology. Makara Technology Series is a scientific journal that provides original article or research knowledge and information or application, contemporary research and development related to technology issue. This journal is meant to publication and a forum for sharing results, or research and development in the field of technology. Each article for this journal must be sent to the editorial office. Detailed information on how to submit and writing guides and provide in each publication. Each article will go through a selection process by expert and or related editor. Since 2010, since 2010, this journal is published every semester. Article publication is free of charge. Makara Technology Series is the development of Makara Series, the regional system and technology development of the Makara Journal Research University of Indonesia, which has been published since January. The thesis research at STMIK Raharja was carried out by Widi Nugroho with the title Design of Warehouse Spare Part Inventory Information System at PT KMK Global Sport. This study discussed the inventory process is still running using semi-computer system, but the data storage is still not structured because there are still errors in data input because high accuracy is needed so as to minimize error. In this study, the author proposed an information system using Visual Basic 6 and Microsoft SQL Server 2000 application. For thesis research at STMIK Amikom Bandung was conducted by Anita Manik with the title Analysis of Design and Implementation of Morningstar Information System Yogyakarta Morning Coffee Sales Division. The purpose of this research is to design an application selling merchandise. The application design using Visual Basic Sales Information store a lot of data. The data in this system is managed using Microsoft Database Access 2003, which was designed using the concept of entity diagram and normalization. 5. Thesis research at Gunadarma University was conducted by Leonardi Winarsi with the title Merchandise Inventory Application using Visual Basic 6.0. The purpose of this research is to design merchandise inventory application. The application is designed using Visual Basic Inventory System store of a lot data in the system managed using database, which is designed using the concept of entity diagram and normalization. The table generated by the database are supply, type of good, buy, sell, and customer using the inventory section. Application managed using printing report directly. 6. The research conducted by Untung Raharja, by Soleh and Pritian Royal Ningsih with the title Using Dashboard Control Employee Attention Performance to Increase in Employee Professionalism in PT Sinarmas Land Property. In this study, is explained that I use a dashboard that provide information on the attendance of an employee can be used to make employees work together to achieve the company business success. The data displayed on the dashboard is in the form of interactive graph, so that graph of employee attendance can be displayed. Result and analysis. Problem analysis system and material stock control process that are running in the company are running well but still need a long time. Warehouse officer must control the amount of material in the warehouse at all time, while the presentation of material stock control report data must always be updated with the cycle inventory. In addition, the recording of stock control material data use Microsoft Excel, which cause frequent recording error and takes a long time because they have to open a lot of other data. Next, solution and conclusion. A. Solution. With the construction of a system that is needed by user by using visual-based application, because visual-based application are already familiar among agency. With web-based system, web-based application allow user to share data at the same time, so that system can run on any operating system and does not require high computer specification to be able to be used web-based application. B. Conclusion. Based on result of this research conducted on inventory information system at raw material companies, the following conclusion can be drawn from the research. 1. The current system has not been able to facilitate employees in obtaining information. This due to labeling of the search and report generation process, because of the large number of documents needed, so that decision making process becomes hampered. 2. Design of computerized material stock control information, which can facilitate stakeholder in producing report need to decision making process by the head of the warehouse in the order overcome existing problems. 3. Information system ongoing material stock control is still use Microsoft Excel, starting from receiving material from supplier, taking material to production, material stock control report discusses delay in data processing, causing the resulting information to be inaccurate. Okay, thank you. This is my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.